Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So my name is Zainal Ariff and today I'll be presenting my individual case study on Top Glove Corporation Berhad. So in this case, it will be more focused on how Top Glove pandemic driven expansion, which initially looked like a strong business success, but later became a strategic accounting and governance challenge. So the main idea of this case is that rapid growth can become risky when it is based on temporary demand rather than long-term market conditions. Top Glove Corporation Berhad is a Malaysian multinational company that manufactures rubber gloves for medical, industrial, and healthcare-related markets. So the company has traditionally competed through cost leadership, mass production, and global distribution. So during COVID-19, global demand for gloves increased sharply because hospital, government, and business need personal protective equipment. So because of this strong demand, Top Glove expanded its production capacity to supply the global market. So the problem started when pandemic demand began to normalize. During the pandemic, the glove market faced shortage, so expansion seemed reasonable. So however, after the COVID-19 condition improved, the industry shifted from shortage to oversupply. So selling price declined, competition became stronger, and Top Glove faced unused production capacity. So this affected profitability because factories, equipment, and operating costs still remained even when the demand was low. So the most interesting part of this case is the twist. Top Glove problem did not come mainly from failure. Instead, it comes from success during the pandemic. The company mass production and cost leadership strategy helped it perform well when demand was high. But when the market changed, the same expansion became a disadvantage. So long-term investment decisions were influenced by short-term crisis demand, and this led to create underutilized capacity, fixed cost pressure, and weaker financial results. Based on the SWOT analysis, Top Glove still has strong industry foundation. Its strengths include global presence, manufacturing experience, and customer network, also cost leadership capability. However, the weaknesses become clearer after the pandemic. The company heavily demand on glove and overcapacity create higher fixed costs, such as depreciation, maintenance, and overheads. At the same time, Top Glove has opportunities to diversify into related healthcare products, such as light. They will invest in automation and strengthen ESG practice. So, however, threats remain, especially in industry oversupply, low selling prices, strong competition, and higher labor-related expectation from international buyers. So in theory, cost leadership gives a company competitive advantage by producing at a lower cost than competitors. So this strategy fits the glove industry because gloves are fairly standardized products and customers often compare price, quality, reliability, and delivery. However, in practice, cost leadership becomes risky when it depends too much on continuous high demand. When sales volume falls, fixed costs such as depreciation, maintenance, and factory overhead still remains. As a result, profit margin, asset utilization, and inventory management can come under pressure. So, this case also shows that accounting information should not only be used for reporting past results, it should also support strategic decisions. Before approving expansion, management should monitor gross margin, inventory turnover, asset utilization, impairment indicators, and cash flow. Besides accounting, governance is also important. Labor practice issues can affect reputation, customer trust, and access to international market. Therefore, ethical labor management and ESG monitoring should be treated as a part of business sustainability, not only as a compliance requirement. So, based on this case, my first recommendation is that Topclub should strengthen capacity planning through scenario-based forecasting. Management should compare optimistic, normal, and pessimistic demand scenario before approving major expansion. Second, the company should diversify carefully into related healthcare and protective products to reduce dependence on gloves. Third, labor governance should be strengthened through audits, transparent reporting, worker welfare improvement, and ESG oversight. Last but not least, accounting data should be used more strategic, so expansion decisions are based on financial evidence, not only market optimism. So from this case, I learned that responsible growth requires forecasting, financial discipline, and ethical governance.